3D printed multicolor Christmas coasters. This colored print was made on the A1 Mini with AMS light. The text with decoration is printing now. One coaster took only 45 minutes to print. Here you see the AMS light, which supports up to 4 colors. It's time to change color. This happens completely automatically. The white parts appear. The print speed is insane. No footage was sped up. The sound of the fan just increased. Look at the nice layer on top of the sparse infill. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. Here's the result. It's really crazy. I printed 4 coasters and a holder. Merry Christmas! Get commercial access to all my 3D files to sell 3D prints. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. You might find other videos interesting too.